Are you tired of scrubbing away at tough stains and grime with little to no results? In this video, we present the 5 must-have electric spin scrubbers that will change your cleaning task. Discover the top 5 best electric spin scrubbers for 2025 that will revolutionize your cleaning routine and make your home sparkle like never before. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box below, updated with the best prices. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. For the best deals and exclusive coupon codes, visit our website at couponoffer.net, where you can buy products and save big. Now let's get started. Number 5 MoKo Electric Spin Scrubber, an innovative cleaning tool designed to revolutionize your household cleaning routine. With a powerful 40-watt motor and speeds reaching up to 490 per minute, this scrubber allowing efficiently tackle stubborn stains in bathrooms and other areas of the home. Its higher speed surpasses many other products that typically operate at around 300 per minute. Equipped with 9 replaceable brush heads, the MoKo scrubber offers versatility for various cleaning tasks, from bathroom tiles to sinks and tubs, ensuring that you won't need additional tools after purchase. The ergonomic design is especially beneficial as it eliminates the need for bending or kneeling during cleaning, making it a great choice for those with back or joint issues, particularly the elderly. The long adjustable extension handle, which can extend up to 52 inches, adds convenience and safety when reaching high places or awkward corners, all while maintaining a wireless, rechargeable design for easy mobility around the home. Its powerful performance, wireless operation, and waterproof features make cleaning tasks more efficient and less strenuous. You can buy the MoKo Electric Spin Scrubber at its current price of $29 on Amazon. At number 4, we have Leebein Electric Spin Scrubber, a powerful cleaning tool designed to make even the toughest jobs feel effortless. Equipped with a high-performance motor, the Leebein YMG 8-way team delivers up to 400 RPM and 15 kN torque, allowing you to tackle stubborn dirt and stains efficiently. It operates at a quiet 55 decibels and features 2 spin speed modes, so you can adjust the power to match your specific cleaning needs. With this scrubber, deep cleaning becomes simple and less strenuous. The 8 replaceable brush heads ensure versatility for various cleaning tasks. From the dome brush for tubs to the flat brush for tile floors and walls, corner brushes for grout and faucets, and even a sponge for windows, this scrubber covers all your cleaning bases. You can also use the provided heads to polish and wax your car, making it a multifunctional tool for both household and automotive care. With 4 adjustable angles ranging from 90 to 180 degrees, ensuring no corner goes untouched. With an upgraded 2500 mAh and USB-C fast charging technology, the Leebein scrubber fully charges in just 2.5 hours, providing 60 to 90 minutes of runtime enough to clean your entire home. The LED indicator lets you easily monitor the battery level. You can buy this Leebein Electric Spin Scrubber at its current price of $49 on Amazon. At number 3 is the Dovety Electric Spin Scrubber, a versatile and efficient cleaning tool designed to make household chores easier and more comfortable. This newly upgraded 2024 model helps you say goodbye to traditional, tedious cleaning methods and keeps your family less fatigued. The scrubber features dual speed settings for optimal cleaning efficiency. It has 2 cleaning modes, low speed at 300 RPM and high speed at 480 RPM. The scrubber starts at the low speed by default, but with a long press of 2 seconds, you can easily switch to high speed for tougher stains, giving you the flexibility to choose the method that suits your cleaning needs. The retractable handle adjusts from 14 to 60 inches, allowing you to clean hard-to-reach areas like high corners or floors without the need to bend or kneel. This cordless design adds convenience, eliminating the need for a power cord. Lightweight and easy to handle, the Dovety scrubber can be used comfortably even during longer cleaning sessions. With 8 versatile brush heads, the Dovety scrubber can tackle a variety of surfaces, from bathtubs and kitchen counters to car wheels and stovetops. A notable upgrade in this model is the new battery display and fast charging capabilities. Powered by a 5000 mAh battery, the scrubber fully charges in 3 to 4 hours and lasts for up to 90 minutes, giving you ample time to complete your cleaning tasks without frequent recharging. You can buy this Dovety electric spin scrub at its current price of $41 on Amazon. Coming in at number 2 on our list is the kHelfer Electric Spin Scrubber, a powerful and versatile cleaning tool that truly makes cleaning easier. What sets this scrubber apart is its 2 adjustable spin speeds, offering 350 RPM for everyday cleaning and a powerful 400 RPM mode for deep cleaning those stubborn stains and grout. With 8 different brush heads, it's perfect for tackling a variety of surfaces, from bathroom tiles and tubs to car windows and kitchen messes. Whether you're cleaning hard-to-reach corners or delicate areas, there's a brush head for every task. One of its standout features is the retractable handle, designed to save your back and knees. You no longer need to bend over or kneel down while scrubbing. Just adjust the handle to one of 3 lengths and let the scrubber do the hard work for you. This feature, along with its adjustable brush head, makes it ideal for cleaning high and hard-to-reach spots like shower heads or corners. Powered by a long-lasting rechargeable battery, the kHelfer spin scrubber can run for up to 1.5 hours on a single charge, enough to complete multiple cleaning sessions. The durable, anti-scratch bristles ensure you can scrub tough stains without damaging your surfaces, and its IPX7 waterproof design means it's built to last. The current price of these spin scrubbers is $49 on Amazon, making them a strong contender for the best choice in this price range. At the top spot, we have the Bomves Electric Spin Scrubber. This product is a game-changer, designed to make cleaning easier, faster, and more efficient. In terms of versatility, the Bomves scrubber truly excels. It comes with 8 replaceable brush heads, each designed for different cleaning tasks. Whether you're cleaning bathtubs, stone tile floors, grout, car tires, or glass, you have the right tool for every job. And don't worry about scratches. The soft bristles are gentle enough to clean tiles and glass without damaging them. The Bomves Electric Spin Scrubber comes equipped with dual speed options, 250 RPM for low-speed cleaning and 350 RPM for high-speed scrubbing. This versatility lets you choose between a lighter clean or a deep scrub, depending on your needs. One of its standout features is the 3 adjustable sizes, which allow you to extend the scrubber from 12 inches to 54 inches. With this flexibility, you can clean hard-to-reach areas without having to bend or kneel, making it an excellent tool for people with back or joint problems. It's user-friendly, ergonomic, and designed with comfort in mind, making house cleaning a breeze. With a powerful 5,000 mAh battery, the Bomves scrubber offers up to 90 minutes of continuous use after just a 3 to 4 hour charge. Whether you're tackling soap scum, grime, or tough dirt, this scrubber ensures you have the time and power to get the job done. Durability is a key feature of the type protection design. While the scrubber can be used in wet environments, such as bathrooms, kitchens, and showers, its cordless design offers added convenience. The current price of these spin scrubbers is $49 on Amazon, making them a strong contender for the best choice in this price range. If you enjoy this video, make sure to show your support by quickly liking and subscribing. Also dive into the description below for links to explore these products further. Thanks for watching.